Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming prerequisites: the unlocked device, access method, and Wi-Fi or mobile signal. Open Settings and go straight to Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where synced Google identities appear. If you see a Google entry, note the email prefix and tap it to review sync details. Once done, make sure to screenshot or copy the visible account name. This will speed recovery steps and verify which account previously synced to that device. Once you open the Google account entry, inspect which services were syncing: Drive, Contacts, Photos, because that tells you which account data lives on the device. Next, open Google Settings, right arrow Manage your Google account, right arrow Personal Info to confirm the exact email address. Make sure to check Backup and Reset or Google Play services for last sync timestamps so you know when the account was active. If multiple accounts appear, compare timestamps and service lists. To finish, record the full email address and last sync date, then try signing in on another device to confirm credentials and access. If the account was removed or hidden, use Google Account Recovery and provide device details, approximate creation date, or last password you remember. These details increase success rate. Make sure network access is stable and that you can receive verification codes. If things go wrong, double-check the device model and serial. Then retry recovery with any secondary email or phone you previously linked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.